Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit One's credit builder tool. Really quick video, let's not waste any time at all. Let's just get straight into it. So the first step is to sign into your Credit One account. Now you can do that online, or you can do that through the mobile app. Now once you sign into your account, step 2 is just to click on Credit Builder tool, and you want to select the tool that you want to use from the list of available options. Next, you can just enter your credit information and confirm the credit builder setup. And once that's done, you want to review and understand the credit builder recommendations based on your information, and you can adjust the credit builder plan as needed to make it more streamlined and tailor-made. And also consider setting up credit builder alerts, because that's going to help you out a lot. So just go ahead and set that up. And in case you have any other questions or confusions, things you want to clarify, you could just contact Credit One's customer support, and they're gonna help you to get through that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit One's credit builder tool. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.